This is how to delete email, okay, you don't want to have in your Gmail inbox. First is to launch your Gmail mobile app. Once your Gmail mobile app opens, long press on the profile letter or icon of that email you want to delete. For example, this is First Bank. So the icon there is F. Alright, I'm not the subject. Okay, so I will long press on that F and release the pressure for it to be selected. If maybe you want to delete other emails at the same time, just keep tapping on the letters or the profile icon, alright, or the profile image. Just as you can see, I'm tapping on this. I have tapped on T, and D is the profile icon of this. I have typed it and it's selected. So once you're done with the selections by tapping on the profile image or the profile icon or the profile letter, tap on the delete icon, which is specified at the top part of the inbox. Okay, and these emails that I selected now have been deleted, the 5 of them. Okay, whatever situation, I want to delete all of them permanently, because as they're deleted, they're placed in the trash folder. For you to delete them permanently, tap on the 3 lines at the top left. From the options shown, scroll down until you get to trash. So you can see I have 107 in the trash folder here. So I will tap on that. Once I'm placed in this trash, you will see the text there, empty trash. Now tap on that. They say 99 plus conversations will be permanently deleted. Just tap on empty and everything is gone. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel to learn more. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.